If you start experiencing some bad smells coming from your air vents, consider replacing your cabin air filter. If you are wondering where filters go, they are behind this plastic. We need to remove few things to access them, and you do not need to worry about wiper blade. This can stay here. We first want to remove this rubber, keeping the water away from the engine. Also this one. We now need to undo these two plastic bolts. You see it's loose. You could try to remove this whole plastic. This plastic is crumbling just because it's near the engine bay and it's very hot, so this plastic deteriorated over time. So I will try to source the new plastic and then replace it later on, as definitely this does not look good. Now we need to remove this plastic piece. And there are a few clips here and two on the other side, but I can immediately see that this one is cracked. Like previous part from here, this is so close to the engine, it overheats, it becomes brittle, and you see by this dirt, it cracked a long time ago and just somebody put it here as well. So we need to undo these clips also from other side and remove it. Now I would suggest to vacuum this because we have some dirt and I don't want to go inside. Now we need to get access to few screws behind this rubber seal. So we would go to the end and then just pull it to ourselves, and it should be easy to remove. Now access to the screws is free. We need to undo this two screw to remove this part, this two and a bit more there to remove this part. Then we'll be able to see the air filters. Just wiggle it around and this will be removed. You can see there's drainage that goes here, and we will definitely clean this up. I think we found a reason for bad smell. We need to replace these. It's really bad. And in order to replace this, you undo this plastic clip. This one does not undo, just this one. And now we need to pull this one out. Try to wiggle it a bit. That's it. And now we pull this one down and remove this one as well. Small tip regarding these filters: you can see these plastic guidelines and they overlap each other, and you just put them together like this. You would see almost perfect fit, and basically this is how they are supposed to be in this box. So I searched for my car. My car is 94, so they should fit. But when I opened the box, and what I got is the filters without this plastic guidelines. So basically, I guess I would just put one and then squeeze these cushions for the second one and hope for the best. I was not able to install these Vallejo filters. I'm not sure why. It looks like they are just slightly too big, if you ask me. And this cushion doesn't help because they need to perfectly match between each other for a great fit. And these old ones are actually plastic cased, so they fit perfectly. And this one doesn't match. I was able to find the original ones. Basically, I went to the shop and bring this old filter. They read these numbers and ordered the same, which is, I guess, how it's supposed to be from the first time. But I basically pre-ordered the one from Vallejo and did not work. But this one looks, it will fit perfectly. So I will try to install this. One small tip: only cars from 94 upwards have this. So if you have a car 93 and older, you will not have this as an option. I mean, not have cabin filters at all. This is the feature they introduced in 1994. Small tip: if you are looking for this video and you want to replace it for the older car, do not buy it beforehand. If you are wondering how to install these filters, you will see this top marking. So this is facing upwards. So we will place any of these two. They are exactly the same. We put this into the box and you press it and you will feel when it fits nicely. There are no movements. Then we take the next one. And then we are just sliding it. And now you will feel some resistance when it hits this rail from the second filter and you just push it through. Yep, looks good. So just sliding it inside. And now it fits nicely. We just put this hatch back. And that would be it. Now we need, of course, to put all these plastics back. And I think this is straightforward. So thank you a lot for watching. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please subscribe, give some likes, and also watch my other videos. Thank you.